Tired of your inbox feeling like a black hole where important tasks disappear? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Gmail with MondeCom to bring clarity and automation to your workflow. First, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then click on Admin. Now, in the Admin settings, go to Integrations in the search bar, type Gmail. Select the Gmail integration and click the big, friendly Connect button. A Google Authentication window will pop up. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect to MondeCom. Make sure you click Allow to give MondeCom the necessary permissions. Now comes the fun part, automation. You'll see a list of pre-built recipes to automate your workflow. For example, you can automatically create a new item on your board when you receive a new email. You can customize these recipes to perfectly fit your needs. For instance, trigger an action when an email with a specific subject line arrives. Say, now when that email arrives, an item will automatically be created on your board, complete with the email details in the Updates section. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Gmail with MondeCom. Experiment with different automation recipes and watch your productivity soar. Remember to like and subscribe for more MondeCom tips and tricks.